Hello, Sabadi. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nali. Today, I'm going to show you how I make a very simple stir fry with just a couple ingredients. If I'm making stir fry in my household, I always use these ingredients. Let me show you what I have. I have my protein. Today, the choice was pork. And any choice of vegetable you want to put in your stir fry. It doesn't matter what. So what you want to do is have your minced garlic, put it in a hot cooking oil. Once that turns brown, then that's when you want to put in your meat. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my pork, and you got to make sure the pork is really cooked. Once you put in the pork, you could let it sit there just a couple seconds so it could get brown in the pan. Now give it a mix. Since we are cooking it with pork, make sure your pork is really cooked. I hope you have your steamed rice cooking in a cooker because it goes really good with the steamed rice. Okay, once the pork is cooked, you want to add in the vegetable that takes longer to cook. Like I went ahead and put I think that's the bok choy branch in there. And also put the thicker part of the Napa cabbage branch in there since it's going to take longer to cook than the leaf. And continue cooking this. Okay, let's go ahead and add in our black pepper. Our sugar, just maybe like a half a teaspoon. Our fish sauce, like a half a tablespoon. And also like half a tablespoon of the soy sauce. And 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And give that a good mix. I will put the link in the description below because I make stir fry shrimp with the exact same ingredients, so you could also watch that too. If this video has been helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you would ever make this. Let's continue. Okay, it looks like the vegetable that takes longer to cook, it's cooking halfway, which is great. So now we're going to add in the leafy of the Napa cabbage. And also the bok choy leaf. Go ahead and stir that up. Just keep on flipping it back and forth. It doesn't take that long to cook, just like a couple minutes. And I do like my vegetables still like halfway cooked, so that way it's still crunchy. So when I know it's halfway cooked, I just turn off my stove. Okay, now that the vegetables halfway cooked, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my stove. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Again, I can't stress enough how easy this is to make. I hope you guys give it a try. Thank you for watching.